Welcome to our guide on setting up a professional email. Today, we'll discuss the importance of having a dedicated email for your business and how it can enhance your communication. Squarespace and Google Workspace make a powerful duo for managing your online presence and communication needs. Let's dive into how they integrate seamlessly. First, we need to create a Google Workspace account. Head over to the Google Workspace website and follow the prompts to set up your account. Next, let's configure your domain on Squarespace. Navigate to the Domain section and select the domain you want to connect. Now, it's time to add Google Workspace to your Squarespace domain. Follow these simple instructions to link the two services together. Verification is crucial. Google Workspace will guide you through verifying your domain to ensure it's correctly linked. To finish the setup, we need to adjust the MX records in Squarespace. This step ensures that emails are directed to your new Google Workspace account. After everything is set, let's test your email functionality. Send a few test emails to confirm everything is working perfectly. Google Workspace offers various features that enhance your email experience, such as advanced filtering, integration with other tools, and easy collaboration. In conclusion, managing your professional email effectively pays off in the long run. Stay organized and utilize all the features Google Workspace provides.